I don't know if you've ever been to Europe, but they don't speak nicely about U.S. politics. It's
I feel like
always
most of the world doesn't speak
yeah.
nicely of US politics.
Yeah, and I know Trump is like a noisemaker, and I'm not saying he's not a doer, but he's definitely a noisemaker, right? He'll make the noise before he does it. And I think that the Europeans they harp on it. And there's nothing wrong with Europeans, right? I love Europe. I'm a Swiss citizen, so I have some I have great respect for the countries over there. I obviously don't want any civil unrest and things like some of these, patriots over in this country. America like to say Europe should go to shit. I don't believe that. I do think that the way that they affect the way that they absorb information is a bit skewed. Their media intakes. I mean, I've been over in those countries. I've seen the news. You just have to spend a couple of days just watching news, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's very polarized against America. So I think that like all these Europeans are starting to see like this idea that their countries are going to stand up and make a difference against America, against America's global outreach or globalization, and that may alone have sparked a lot of capital retracement back to Europe. If it's like the idea that Donald Trump is going to be the downfall of America, right, or something asinine like this. And I think that coupled with the fact that equity markets are seeing some constraint with a higher euro, right? The euro is getting stronger, it's pulling capital back home, and I think that alone also is weighing on our markets, right? That's a little bit of a release valve that we're seeing happen there,
Yeah.
and I
Yeah,
don't
we
think it's
we
permanent
just yeah,
though.
we got to see how long it lasts and if it really puts in a long-term trend. But I
Because
think
the thing that
like we should make a system for Europe. I think that would be kind of cool to see how they're looking on a system basis.
I actually have something in the works for that. I have some euro based. I basically have a euro based growth and inflation model. The only problem is that it's price. So it's priced in euros, right? So as an American and as most of our followers, we're looking at American assets. But I know we definitely have some European followers, right? I'm sure we do. We're focused on U.S. assets priced in U.S. dollars. So, like, let's go back to eurozone, right? Like, if we look at the eurozone on a dollar basis, it's kind of shit. I mean, it's not bad, but like again, 2021 to where we are right now is 18%. QQQ, right? 2021 to where we are right now is what?